There are some families where the apple doesn't just fall far from the tree. It lands, looks around, and decides to grow into something completely different. In Like Father, Like Son, we enter a world where family, love, money, relationships, and pride collide, and where the choices of one generation begin to shape the next. Because sometimes, no matter how hard a father tries to teach his son what not to do, the son has already been watching. And when the past begins to repeat itself, the line between father and son becomes harder to separate. This is the story of Like Father, Like Son.
Yeah, that one is like father, like son. See? So we are gonna run that one here, just the same way. And here we know.
He planted some seeds that grew so wide.
Alright.
He stayed far away and knew not his child.
Hey.
He is now face to face with his own shame, losing the stakes at his own game. I don't understand, just don't understand.
Yeah.
Did you not feel my innocence then? I saw the look on my face. This is very serious.
Yeah.
This is very serious and a big disgrace. Like father, like son, he is running wild. Never a moment to spend with his child. Like father, like son, like father, like son. Why do men always have to run?
We start the same way.
Like father, like son.
Married the same here.
Like father, like son.
Divorce the same way.
Like father, like son.
Live the same life.
Hey, that's what I say. I want some youth. Them think them can't tell me for fool. I want thing I want to tell them, you know. I'm me rule. When you love a man, he takes you for granted. At times it make you feel not wanted. When you love him, you play with your heart. Sometimes you just have to stay apart. It was easy for me to love you, so easy to look in your eyes. Even easy for you to hurt me, and so easy to ignore my cry.
I don't wanna lose you. You're a part of my being, but how can I survive when you're so mean? I just wanna tell you I can't take it anymore. You had me, baby. Now let me.
Me not pet no guy, me not give them no.
Take it right up again and put some energy in it. Take it.
Trevor, I'm tired.
Remember, I tell the rest of us.
I'm kind of hungry now.
If you're hungry now, yeah.
The rehearsal thing now work out now.
You see that? Why don't I go to the new man? It's too damn delicate.
What do you mean by that?
You won't go forget her.
It's discriminate from Trevor. I want to gender that thing for me. Everyone with your mouth, you know.
Say again, not go to the rehearsal.
This is my talent. And you all about can't take this from me. Yeah, Trevor. I don't like how you talk to me now. You're violent. I'm not having no more music for you. Come like you want a lawsuit.
He come like you forget to use the contract with me.
What I cancel the contract?
Cancel it, you can't cancel it. Hold on! Look at that stuff in blast now. Every day I deal with it. Reverse and.
What told me? Mr. Eviction, listen to this. And they're going to answer Rising Star. And it's see me. And you want a recording contract.
Hey, yeah,
no, everyone. No, I think that's something big.
You think that's something? Trevor, you smart. When you say you want something big, check me.
What is that I may sing? It's barely one note. Coming up, sing I was kind of hungry day.
Trevor, she hungry for two. Here, you go back. You go back after that. I'm going to sue you backside.
No, come sue me, Trevor, come sue me. Man, come get for 2 steps for this to be a lawsuit.
Any lawsuit going on me, it must be me who got so much spatters inside there. Creating Are you a singer? You know the difference between baritone and treble? You know what they call a bridge? They told them come together because one can't sing, one can produce. So the producer produce and the singer sing. Facts. You have any food instead of you need feet? Give feet? Now Kingston come from it.
Yeah.
So what you want to eat?
Well, me don't like a double whopper with everything and me a sugar or sugar with extra fried food.
You hear that, Trevor? Me no cook that round there. All me have round there is a cassava. So you not come?
I just threw my hungry because you know I'm not going over with you.
After all, man, the arm fool. Oh, I said the arm fool. You hear gunshot of fire, and you are behind him. The arm fool. But Shebada easy. Him have a license firearm and make man cover to him. Mad man. Sir! What you want? 2 early morning condom. Condoms married to Wrigley's. You can't do ananya.
Hello?
Who is that?
Hello?
Hello, the gate is open. Oh.
Hi, sir. Morning.
Hi, ma'am. Morning.
Sir, can you call Joe for me, please? Thank you.
Well, Trevor's not here this moment.
Sir, show me inside there because it's really important that I speak to them today.
After my son. And if he's not there, he's not there. Yes, ma'am. I'll tell you something. You have an appointment to see Trevor?
Well, sir, you see, there was...
Make I tell you something about Trevor. You see, if you have an appointment to see him, you won't see him. You see, if you don't have an appointment to see him, you will see him. That's how he works.
Okay.
You want Trevor have anything for him? Is Trevor touching you? Oh, you're making a little joke, you know. Trevor is my son and he likes to touch.
Sir.
Yes, dear. Oh, boy.
Sir. Sir, can I bring you back to him, please?
You couldn't be saying you're the way. Hey, lady girl! Lady girl! Listen up. And one time a day I flush my toilet, don't flush my toilet. Hey! Lady girl! Listen up. You see the roll of tissue? Don't use it if it's serving for the month. Hey! Lady girl! Don't turn on the pipe and wash your hand. Water rip down now. Hello!
You know the change the right, sir?
How do you mean the change the right? Don't tell me fall. Back 5 pounds of rice to buy. And you give me $1,000 and then give me $1,000 change. What do you mean you change the right? You can't check. No. After all, that's how I want somebody to
Good morning, Mr. Eviction.
No more pissing. No more pissing. Piss on the yard before we left for our babies.
I did not come here to hear about your domestic affairs.
Oh.
I am here to find the man who calls himself my husband.
Nicole, what the hell you idea? For you and Jooky by big house on the first I set type on you. Me not see him.
It's been almost 3 nights now, you know. And I don't hear no one word from Jooky.
Well, Jooky is a pilot. But in a land plane down here.
I tried to call him on his mobile phone, you know. but he's not taking any of my calls.
Nicole, you and Jooky walk this line. Bird of a feather, see ya. Come on, come here and focus, bud. You hear me, Taylor?
You know I'm not surprised you're behaving this way. That should never flies far from the block.
No.
Your son is almost a perfect clone of you.
Yeah, I want you come. I call you, I want you fix it. Yeah, you come to me, you come call me, I'll take the boy out there. Nicole, do it for your service. You hear me?
How dare you, Eviction, to stand there and refer to me as girl?
Oh.
You men all treat him the same way. Like father, like son.
Nicole, you forgot. Jooky was a little boy. When you come in, you come running down. You're damn pervert.
Jooky was 70 years old when I started to talk to him, you know.
That no matter. Jooky was a virgin. My little Adam. And you he coming and come give the damn bottle for him.
Mr. Eviction, I am going to warn you. If you are adding any of Jooky's assets around there, it's not going to help him.
Oh.
So you can tell Mr. Jooky that his so-called flight attendant must be able to take him when I throw him out.
I see.
Look at all those years I give to Jooky.
True.
Look at Abijo and the kids back home.
You sure I'm a beam?
And he had to go down to the airport and embarrass me like that.
Nicole, I wish part Jooky find you. Now airport. After all.
Jooky has made the biggest mistake of his romantic life.
Yeah, I tried that. You're the unluckiest in the world. I was going to sleep on the backside. Hello! Man, your backside, welcome. Sorry, Pastor, sorry, Pastor. Oh my gosh. No. Is that you, Pastor? No. Yes, sir. I want man always come back with something, man. Me and baby, yeah, all right. You have you here? Yes, man, the one that did get the job. Put him on for me, no? Hello, son. Are you want a job? All right. You know where you find me? No, just go in half a 3 square, man. Go upstairs at the bus place there. Buy your ticket and take the bus. How you mean you don't have no money? Well, all right, go up there and tell them to trust your ticket, no? Then lock up your backside.
Yo, Pops. Come here.
Trevor.
You gonna go like it?
You always get sitting at the other trouble. Trevor, who you stay, sir, man? I saw trouble. You're right. Trevor, you get my rings.
Yep.
But it look clean, man.
You wash it?
So then teeth you wash and bring it back on here?
Yep. You cool. Pops, when Nicola do it?
Trevor, I should ask your father. Mr. Nicole coming out with about 10 girls there and I've come here. With back and all the things I just pulled it, you see. And when I shot it 2 backs, she had the girl run. See that boy there? I come to her, if you can't do the girl, sir. I lick it down.
Pops, me like that girl, you know?
Me not like her neither.
What she want to do?
So she look fair, man. Jooky.
Jooky last?
And that next too. Trevor, you must be your best son. But you have a prisoner.
No, man, I talk to the police already. I explain to them, say, I have a man thief my car, and I squeeze that 2 shots. I say, it's a lie, if I am here. I lie to kill people now.
Trevor, you're going to prison. While little kindergarten girl coming to you, she in the bathroom and change her uniform.
Yeah, that's prison.
So what?
Pops, you scoop in the house?
Me a school in here?
Pops, how much time it is you don't scoop in the comment?
How many she come to?
Me live there.
Oh, so because you live here. I got you, Trevor.
And them khakis with there, we are full of people with their thing. You get father prison. Hi, baby. Come here. Pops, meet Winsor, meet my father.
Hi.
Darling, when you doing Jesus?
My father believes you're underage. Tempting underage.
Which farm in a first or second farm?
I'm doing my first year in university. I'm studying journalism. And your handsome son here was nice enough to offer me the songwriting job for the rest of the day.
Nice. I mean, taking for this, Rob.
Baby, just go in the car with us, okay?
Baby, don't stay long.
I hope not, trust me.
You have a video shoot.
We know.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
You have a lovely home.
And you have lovely eyes too.
Hey, Pops. You know she name?
What's your name?
Can't go to jail again. Hey, Pops, you remember my girl there?
You, Trevor?
Yeah, when I second and start being myself, I start keep one per year. She's a nice girl.
Alright, Trevor.
And she have this little cute body, you know?
Yes, it seems to change your life. When I bought the room, we are renting for 3 months now, you know, giving a rent. You hear me say, I have an instrument them in there.
And
So talk about the instrument them.
Pops, that me come to talk to you about.
How will you bring the money?
I just come from the bank, you see, Pops. And the bank said must walk up on the window more cash.
So,
Check. No, Pops. You see this? This is the 3 months of my oil. And this one is for the 3 months of my oil. Now it's the blue here girl, the DJ one. Now once she stay up here. Because the one I just left, she has to start to my yard now. And I can't keep 2 months of my yard. So you keep one and I keep one. And Pops, you see as long as you keep them, you cannot change them. You get 15% interest every month per year.
15% interest?
Yep.
This is a cash plus.
I don't give one be like this. What you like?
Lord, listen, the son, light will come. Every day you can then run the water, then run the water.
Like.
Then when you run the water, the light will go up. $50,000.
$50,000 of the light?
The red budget, $50,000 budget.
Pops, can I tell you something? Is a device here? You secure them in the airline.
How are you say?
Mega Mart have 2. Later, everything you can tell some more, see me, yeah?
Alright. Well.
No man, somebody pinch me. Then I just me wanna go work. What a place nice, see man. Oh, let me do now, Vanda like I'll leave it for me and tell him for me, but that's the time for us to kill these people. No man, how many get that ninja from? They must say that management theater.
Picture. Who you say you are?
Yard boy, don't give me a warm time. Call him to keep me and come out of my vision.
Hi. Hello, young man. You have a lawn to cut?
How much you charge?
What do you face the boy doing? You come to me here because some come around and call me yard boy. You know easy.
Are you going to say eviction?
You done right.
No, God, you come in here to work, I'm going to get it here. Come on, Mr. Eviction, I'm very sorry. Oh, my father sick, I'm really.
So you're desperate? When me no want a desperate from my place, eh?
Lord, man, you can't run joke. It's a desperation that's what I'm here.
Sit down. Hi! Not from real. Young man, what did you do a while ago? Did you step over my rail? Step back over my rail.
can't go and say them house Mowgli.
Hello, young man. So, are you come about the world?
Yeah.
Well, listen up. I run a wholesale, not a shop. And I don't want nobody come to my business place with no mix up and carry with people.
I don't want to try this one. Mix up a super sick my stomach.
Oh.
I mean, I like people who fast, not people visit them for work.
Got to work with me. So, what is your name?
Heartbeat.
You have any recommendation?
Actually, you have a reach in every step.
All right. So what is the qualification?
Maths, English, accounts, computing, carpentry, woman.
All right. If you have so much qualification, how comes in our work?
You know, that's what them three get up people already, man.
Here, I can tell you.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't say so. You think I could come from the ghetto? I'm from the city.
Which city?
In a city, Kingston.
All right. Call it, say you get the work. How much a week you do that for your people?
Yeah, maybe you choose.
Yeah, man, choose.
When you have a question, you still based on noise for all man trying that thing, and you shot me go to all the board. You can't pay $50,000 a week. No, man, I'm overqualified for about rice and flour.
Young man, the gate open.
Then you never let the gate when I come in.
How long did you go through $50,000? Where the hell did you get $50,000 from? Eh? What teeth you want?
So you tax someone and go so bad for me not to negotiate?
Well, let me hear what you say.
You can't pay 30. Good God, man, I'm holding that I take off and you do have a
30. You ever try to get work with the Cuban people them for screwing light bulb?
Then how much you want pay, sir?
Minimum wage. $3,700 per week. Take it or leave it.
I can't say a question, sir.
How expensive you want?
Oh, come on back and call the name to you.
Yes.
I hear I'm hungry. You hear me I walk with my belly in my hand. You see how far me I come from, I'm in a trouble people. I've been going on this person. Give me the wait. You know I'm not drink syrup.
Backside back in here. Come back in here. Everything my friend here. And wait. What a face there, boy. You should run, man. Hey,
When you want me to start work, sir?
You're not gone yet. Tomorrow morning early.
My friend, you sure you can't put some more lads that you must can't put some. They say if I never hungry, all I bring you down 6'6".
Look at my father's place. Come here, Bubber. Come here. Come here, Bubber. Don't touch it. What happened? Yo, what? this good for them cruff you.
What you talk about?
You? How are you there?
Oh, yeah, me come look for you.
From you and Nicole buy a big house at the first day I look for you.
But stop it foolishness, man.
Here's a worthless boy.
Stop it, man.
You know what's Nicole come look for you?
I wish you had known you.
Don't ask me.
Listen, we're going to a small problem. We'll soon sort it out. Papa, I bring something for you. Oh, my Lord. Me love you, me love you. Me not left you. Woo! You're so nice.
Something alright. Nicole come look for Jooky. Then Jooky come look for me. Wow, something between him and you, man.
Woo! Papa, I was so thirsty. This is perfect. The ginger, immaculate. This is good. You want some?
What are you, Jooky? How are you drink from?
In the fridge.
Jooky, don't drink it. You put drinks in it?
Papa, stop it, man. I'm your sons, okay?
Don't drink it. Tell me something. You have to water right here. You're being light with it. You think this is an in-flight service? When you're on your big fish and drink the champagne?
All right. I will put it back in the fridge.
Put it back what? Put it back what? Who am I drink off for you when you put it back? Come in and know where your damn tap T-bone to come from.
Okay.
I'm going to throw to your damn mouth.
No, Papa, what is wrong with you?
Anything wrong with me?
Hey, I want to know what is wrong with you.
Me work my back off to send you to school.
You did?
That you become big pilot. I fly to here, Jamaica, American airline, Canadian airline. Are you remember me?
Don't chat rubbish to me here.
What do you mean?
You have never done anything for me.
Lie!
I'm me, school myself. The amount of shop when you brought to that, you don't know about it. The only thing that you did for me then is give me some rotten lips.
How did you come here, Bob? Say me to turn pilot.
No, why did I come?
You shouldn't come. He's a worthless boy. Imagine you're a big pilot. I'm here, and you're going to say one day, say, Pops, see a 50 grand, see a 50,000, I'll give you a 50,000.
You use it to liar.
Wait a minute.
Not 2 weeks ago, me sent 50,000 through Western Union for you.
Jooky, you send it through Western Union. You hear? Through Western Union. You never send it to me. Me have to go to Western Union to get it. Damn, what is it? He's no good. Listen, I have a nigga drive bus. And every morning tap out to get there. What my uncle? This flight paid over here. I would him tap and say, what Pops?
It's okay. I get the message. I'm gonna get out of here.
Leave, man.
I told you it could work, but it's not.
Leave the place.
Oh,
Damn jacket.
what is going on?
You are a jacket.
Remember that, here, remember that.
You
just taught me a lesson.
and you, I just took me to university.
Ugly lie.
Jacket. Jacket.
Hey, where was this umbrella there?
It's a leaf.
Come on, you can go to the door. You're gonna get big door. Anyway,
No, I can't wait. Brother. Hey, Pops. Whoever is in there.
I say it's a leaf.
I'm a good boy.
Yeah, money.
no.
Yeah, money.
No.
I'm not telling you about it.
Trevor, your brother look good in
Hello, the rest of the come. Go inside.
Never, no later. Never. Oh, God.
Yo, I'm a DJ.
DJ?
Yeah.
So Tiro.
Hey, Pops.
You understand why I'm here? No. Jooky, come here. You're my new friend. And a 7 glass of this cookie chose and Angela. In front of me.
You ready to pop? I know the man.
I just realized that. Anyway, Trevor, I have a fridge in my yard full of drink. I'm going home.
No, man,
Trevor, I'm going home.
Jooky. Maybe you can't work there. So you can't put it inside. Put it back. Don't you can put it back.
I'll check her on the place. You know something? I got to say your jacket. Come.
Remember, say Pops say your jacket.
Me and Pop's favor. I do a jacket.
Don't worry about him, and he's soon dead. Hey.
Oh! That's why you come back here. You may call me soon dead. Mr. Rebecca can see you. I tell your brother say me soon dead. Me? You dirty bitch. That's why you come back here. Trevor, don't never do that. I know my son Trevor. You never say a thing like that. I used to.
Jooky, why is that thing then? And Pops, out your tab with my jacket.
I thought you say, yeah. I thought you say.
You tell him we should wear a jacket.
I thought you say your brother a jacket. Well, who don't want to know who a jacket?
You tell him.
Make sure you are 100% for me. When you do that taxi.
Then nobody know wake up yet. You don't never sleep till I don't get good, man.
How are you? You have a warrant? It's something you can't keep out of people in the house.
Don't say that. Don't say that. I sell things in the shop, but you sell things in the house.
You're looking something to purchase.
No, I'm not choose my vendors with pride.
Hey, boy, what kind of market you come out of people in place? Come here, so me, I'm going to argue in a dirty boy.
I can't be one woman I'm a son like an Ariel dirty guy.
How are you? Oh, are you? I'm calling Nikki.
How are you? No, man, you look like somebody that should buy me this morning. I said to you. Everybody asks someone, is that someone not practice something? But I'm jelly now, who are you?
Let me tell you, I'm his son, okay?
Adapt it.
What? Jooky.
Yes, my brother.
Is he working in the shop?
So I didn't say that long time, young man.
Heartbeat. Stick to the shop. Jooky.
Yes, my brother.
Do a blood test.
Eviction, come here. No, say my mix up. I see one girl stand and look at this man if ever anything you put in a can feel for him drunk or...
Heartbeat. See I'm blind, ear and deaf. Even though you can't talk, don't say no.
I don't like how the yard for you, come a class stuff for me.
Yo, Jooky. Come here. How are you? No, Jooky, come here.
Oh, yes, umbrella. Oh, he might work in the shop with Pops.
Pops him love you.
So Pops?
Look like a damn thief.
Hold on. Teeth.
I said you. Is in there again? What is though? Yeah, man, I'm going to tell you something. Me like producing business. Yeah. So you see Blue your girl? Blue your girl.
You mean tear up?
She named Lady. She's a DJ. I'm a girl. When she go in and go to the competition, she named Cherry. She's a singer. I'm a girl. And you see when I write the song?
Yeah.
She named Winsome.
Are you a girl?
My wife.
Oh, that's
So because I used to DJ when I was small, I don't want to say you could catch a little vibes and post already, man.
Which one? The one or the one? The one?
The other one.
Alright, watch it now. Jooky on the rebel!
Nobody worry about the vice part. Women they fix it black or they fix a moga.
Alright, watch this now. What can a man do to make you understand him? To tell Jooky, oh, you're gonna love him some more. To level the vibes and tackle the scores. Jooky Jam, Jooky Jam, Jooky Jam.
That's all I say. Jooky Jam, Jooky Jam, Jooky Jam. Not more. But we don't come back and show something different.
Alright, watch out what I do. Cherry, running at this one, you know.
No way, no way, no way, yeah. I'm gonna let love go away, yeah.
Girl, I wanna be with you every day. I'm making sure that you know I'm straight. Girl, I know you're hurting all because of my flirting. I want you.
I love you.
No, man! Ginger fry, I won't wake up,
Listen to this. I'll be true to you every day, so you can come my way. Then we can play. I think what's my lyrics a while ago.
No, man! We're not bad, God, we're not good through a team, man. What does that people can DJ? We're going to do a video.
Yeah,
What's your name?
Sure.
My name is Cherry Tree and I would love to do a video.
Can you say your name?
Cherry Tree.
Glad you move like the whole of your cherry them shaker. Make no fear. Come back and show you how to shake up your body. Take no fear. You come. Anything we do, you do it.
DJ Enemy and wet up. Drop the song there.
Thank you for the world. Jesus, me and you people. Do I'm gonna see a step fast.
No man is out of order. Hey,
You better listen to my.
hello. Where you go, whatever? Where you go, whatever? We go, whatever.
I mean, good face here and put you out. Come on, come
And the boy and John, you go take him for him back, you know. Aye. You tell me something. You nick him. And you nick him. And you Pops, I don't trust the boy. What do you mean? I'm not telling you. Where one?
But I cannot work in this environment.
Where are you? Cherry. You see him? You shall it. You shall it. Yeah? Go and beat him up first. And you. Look at the teacher.
It's alright. It's okay, Mr. Eviction. I realize what you're doing. You're putting stranger in front of your family. But I am Jooky Jam Bruce Eviction. I was born in Eviction. My blood runs all over Eviction. And I will die taking licks as Eviction.
Of course, my friend. Yeah. But so I have something to tell you. Yeah, man. You have a plan for the Trevor, you may say? Of course, when man forget Colin, they're going fresh. No. Yeah. Yeah. No, not talk. You know the money thing already. No. I'm ready to come. Yeah, I have fun. Done.
This is the menu with the garbage. Your business that should have seen something your way. Outside.
Hey, you did it, come here. One, match. Hey, don't stand around, do it. Please, don't do it. You finish rehearsal? And the champion must say the back up and church over there, you hear? Where you start? Stop saying my blast, dude.
Trevor, me uncomfortable now.
The hairstyle was uncomfortable.
Me not playing second floor with Cherry. Me not in the backup singing business. I kept him just like Sherry, but get her. Me want my own solo career.
Hello, this back up, me carry back. Hold on. You want to start walk before you creep?
Me not creep long time before me know you. By the time I meet taste got me around. Me say me not in the backup singing business. Mr. Strictly upfront singer.
But it's back up, me care what we do. And the back up you're going to do. When I be going there.
Well, you hear me, Mr. Trevor the captain, man. I don't need for the rest now. I have my crush on this anything of one for me, that Trevor. No, it's not like when you used to come in your back room. Believe I really know. I'm a son who I'm own solo album. You know what solo mean? That mean me one.
You know you want to leave back up?
Trevor, is there a problem?
Nothing not going.
Of course there's a problem. Just like you, Mr. Good Singer with a good band and a good vibe. And just like you don't want no backup singing, more of an old solo album, that is the problem.
And this is my business, and this is your back up, you're going to do. Back up.
And we say that,
Why is she behaving as if you two have something going?
bitch. Have something going.
Baby, what does she mean?
Ever since I stopped allowed to get my goodies.
Trevor, you had a sexual relationship with her?
That was a long.
When I was stepping out, I said, so, I'm not trying to hold by me door. You may never do it in a life. Eh? When you want me to lose the work? Tell me something. You seem to be the acmeal around here. But remember, this is my space. Yeah, my girl, you look good smell with their shape hurt and feel. No girl, me there for back here. Okay. Oh man, the bag of cry can't hold. Back up here though. Like it, love it, love it.
Trevor, you had a sexual relationship with her?
I just explained to you that was a long time ago.
2 weeks can be a long time. It depends how we started the fence is standing on.
That was one kidd's night, 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks? 2 weeks, Trevor? As in 14 days?
So the business is then.
But we've been dating for 4 weeks, no, we're not.
No, man, Trevor. It's boss your ball over you. And then you me ball over you, my best time the camera girl, bell you camera monster, man. Don't psychoanalyze me. Hey, girl. You always see the potential friend, you know. Don't turn me in. Wait.
Hey girl, this is where I like you.
Trevor. They never take me serious, I'm telling me independent. 2 years ago, I never have no sense. I come a country, come take a president. Me I want my money and me I pay my rent. And that's how me independent. Me I pay me say eviction for room and me I stay around the back. So when I say Trevor, you know, Mommy, Trevor eviction, you know, occur.
Well, you listen to me, Miss Occurring. You try to remember somebody from other places, so we can't put out the interview ready. Remember that? Okay.
Hey, boy, don't tell about your boss, you know. Respect Trevor. Thanks. No, you let me know, still loyal.
You can't get here.
I'm still here, I'm still. Come on, you don't know where they are.
Alright. Baby, perfect. So now, it's gonna be smooth sailing.
Baby, I can't wait.
Me neither.
Jooky, where's your key?
They closed Terminal 1, but we're going to use another gate. Come here.
I'm your captain. I'm going to take you through, okay? The shop. What? No, I'm not in the shop. Just stay right here. I'll be right back. Oh, perfect. Terminal 2 is open.
Baby, Be careful, alright?
I'm extra careful just for you.
Alright.
Merited. Oh my God. Me not read that. Oh my Jesus. A damn thing I want. Me not read that. Mercy. Me not read that. What you know? Pilot get caught having sex in cockpit. No man, this how we are drinking cup. What I mean hear some about cockpit. That's what is pilot get caught having cockpit on the front of the plane. Yes! But what you know? They told them how many people to you know.
Hold on, I'm reading.
But how they not put their name?
So where you want to put them name?
They know who the black Eviction is?
You're talking about my colleague. Stop it, Jimmy. Stop it!
Your colleagues are worthless. Hey? You see, if that boy was my son, me hanging myself. I fire them on fire.
Yes, this is instant fire, yeah.
Well, like, what am on fire, man? You depend on me. This will call you back.
No, Papa. Me depend long leave.
Long leave with pay or without pay?
No, with pay.
Oh, because I want to know the room I'll pay for.
How would the cameraman do, man? Shopkeeper.
Where you want?
You don't read the star yet?
No, bring it come here. So some things that want their word. They can't come here.
Oh, very good. You won't read this one because you're about to of your word. You know? Oh, yes. I need to see the background. Give me. Hello. Go do your blood test and come back. I need. Go do your blood test.
Put yourself over here. Man, you step on my shoes, you know.
Nico, what the? Nico. Release me. Release me. Hello. You can't find so much to go sweet.
The attention you're busy.
So this is how you can handle the mess you left your family, no?
What mess are you talking
Don't
about?
speak to me, you extramarital affairs
I
specialist.
know, walking dictionary, slow down, man.
What are you doing here, really, huh? Seeking refuge in your father's house for you and your so-called girlfriend?
Stop your rubbish and go home.
You need to shut your mouth.
Stop it, right?
Shut up. Go inside right now and get things all over. Just throw you in the car right now. What?
Turn up here. How are you turn up here? Nicole, what do you have a turn up here? Yep. Aye. Harvey, what's your turn up here?
The luggage.
You don't go see that come up here. I'm going to invite you. I want to get much more.
Relax.
I'm going to relax.
Let me deal with it.
Calm down, Mr. Eviction.
Oh!
I came over here to straighten you out.
I don't care now. Don't
What did that mean? Straighten out.
Hey!
What's happening?
Hey, girl, what you do? Hey, don't do it. Don't let him say, this is an old man. Don't do it, man. We come with something that don't show.
Harvey,
Yeah.
are you slick me?
No, because your body numb.
As a matter of fact, I get to understand that you have a woman sleeping with you there, you know.
Which one is it? Lie!
Okay then, I want to go and see for myself.
Of course, which one is it? How do you want to find him, man?
Bruce, what are these doing inside of your room, huh? I'm going to fix your business.
We do that. No, man. Do that.
My mother was so right about it. She was right all along. You can have that piece of rubbish, you know. Don't even think about coming to my house to see my kids anymore.
Hey, Nicole! If I shot a two box of chat, you know where your chat said? You know I love my children. Don't you play with them in this relationship. Don't you?
I will be fine.
Jooky,
Yes, my bird.
go on with that, she'll fight for you.
You see, from all the trauma you put me through tonight, you deserve to be punished. Just speak to me. You think you'll be in storage and you can pick them up next week, because this weekend I'll be going on a vacation. Not to be a car and leave with your pet. Bunny baby, you will try to go other car, okay? Oh,
Money.
Evidence.
No, like that, baby.
Prepare pasta.
You can't Please be reminded that the pilot is in the cockpit. Okay. We don't continue in like whenever a long way to take off again.
With all my heart.
Hey, stop. Give me this.
I want to know. When I look so, I don't have to look to somebody anything when I do me I watch.
Yeah. It's a stage performance, yeah? I can't go, but the people will see the thumbs up. I just want to love you. You're back here. Do you take it and put some vibes in it? If you can't do it, yeah.
I just want to love you.
Hey, Top. Give me this, move. You ever see this apartment? You ever see this advance just singing another song? I want to take a piece of food here. My girl, as I eat that thing, you can't hold my song. You're struggling. You have to hold this song. Next time, this hand work with the bands. This way you go so, the bands go level. And the hand work with the crowd. So when you start singing, the crowd supposed to band. Hey.
I trust them. Sometimes
That's time of the man. All me want you to do is sing and band. Try that. If you can't, you go.
I just want to love you.
Stop. Give me this. Yeah. Just go. Take a moment and there. You really want more money?
True, it's not about money.
You want more clothes? You want to get your fashion design?
It's not about those things.
So it's not about money, not clothes. But the boxing and singer when you I want to take you.
You know, I realize that nothing matters to you other than your business.
My business is a producer. As a producer, I know I really sing and wine. If you can't do it, guy.
But I've been rehearsing.
I tell you there, Pop. Nothing more. Hey.
You know, I knew what I wanted to get into when I started singing, you know. I just did not know getting into your bed would have caused so many problems. True, when I came to you, I had no boyfriend. You approached me and that's how this all started. But this is not working out, alright? It's just not working out.
Hello. You think me can tell the promoter so this is not working out? After me collecting my money for you, go for a stage, you must say now work out, I take a girl the idea. Take this.
But Trevor, when we met, it was about love.
My girl, just relax.
And friendship. Not about music and business. This music thing was incidental to you, no Trevor. I've always wanted to sing. You only started producing when you heard me sing. But as I said before, this is not working out. Things have changed.
You're damn right. Things have changed. I do not mix business with pleasure. And you are business. Sing and wine and guy.
Trevor, why you have to be so insensitive?
I'm going to be so unprofessional. Wait a minute, I'm preach up there.
Trevor, I'm pregnant!
I like your tail.
You do what? Pregnant for you.
You have a nerve asking me such a question.
But any doctor you know, you tell me get that. He get away.
You know, through my talent, I gave you most of the money that you have. I am the one who built your label. Trevor, you tricked me into thinking that I was the only girl I know I'm pregnant for you.
Get away to
You know, the best talent that I have been given is childbearing.
So I notice.
And now you are asking me which doctor I know. You ask yourself which doctor you know, because the only person who's a frigging doctor is you.
Then Trevor, come here, my friend. I'm concerned about you. Why do you bother up with feet and one condom and give you a heart like light bulb?
You know my coach is a good class.
That's why you're breathing.
Miss Ma, you remember? Miss Ma, about the thing there. Miss Ma, you man sing them. The V, man, the V.
The Viagra. You want to put sweet comes so far.
Good evening, Papa. Good evening. I would like you to meet my new girlfriend. I want to say new, I mean brand spanking new. Just here on the plastic.
So, Jooky,
Yeah.
you bring him out for me here?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty no bitch. Could you hear them? They got them bright like puss. So where you gonna go hit?
Sir, my baby has already told me that he's married.
So what else you know about your baby?
And he's going to get a divorce. Very soon, right?
Very soon.
In not tell you say his wife come bossy and something so there it is.
Papa, what is wrong with you? Why are you trying to get back this morning? What you want?
What is going on?
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to be shouting behind you. Listen, I need to talk to my father. Will you just go inside the room? I never see him there.
You don't stay long.
No, baby, I'll be right there.
What?
They?
Come to Papa. Come to Papa.
Hold on there. I know my fish that you're around with.
Jooky, your fish down in my aquarium.
Make any funny move now. I said, but no, disrespect me. Make the funny move you see me then, yeah? Touch her.
Disrespect me. Imagine, you go and wear the mask and got sky down.
What do you mean by that?
You mean but a very poor navigator.
Papa, I know I had sex on that plane, right? I'm sick and tired of hearing it over and over. Right now, they go down the house, the car, and the picture them. Right? I was hoping that you, as a father, would have sit me down as a son.
Father, Jooky. Father. I'm not your father, stepfather, nor godfather. He's a dumb chicken.
You know? Hello! You don't see me and my father talking in private. You don't see me working in private. Now you see what you make happen? Eh? You see what make it? You know what? I'm going to put my blood on that line. I'm willing to give that DNA sample. You going to give yours? Anytime. And what if I am your son?
Impossible. It's like mission impossible.
Okay, Mr. Meanies, it's alright. I'm going to ask you a little favor here. And my baby, her name is Habit. Can she stay here?
Of course, she can't stay. But you can't stay.
So where am I going to stay?
Let me say that. Listen, me don't want to pick my house.
But I can't afford any more kids. As a matter of fact, she don't want to pick right now. I want to tell her something even...
But now listen, just talk.
She don't have no children.
She not pick me. How you know that?
Trust me, I can look at a woman and tell them whether I have no kids.
So you know I'm a pilot. You're a doctor now.
Hey man.
Huh? Heartbeat.
I don't mix with the dirty family, then me I beg you, do me not like him so, remember? No like it.
Yeah man, you're gonna stop disrespecting this family as of today.
You talk to me? No man, check if you're on mute. I mean, yeah, you will. What I'm saying, yeah? Don't do that.
Better not do it again. Oh, Lord, I did it.
My doctor. Oh, Jooky, me and my girlfriend, me and my brother. Yeah, let me check them.
Remember that?
Oh,
Yes.
this is you. And you have a show for the Bahamas. You have a show for the Bahamas, right?
Yes.
When you leave Bahamas, you come back and do some interview. Yeah, man. About 3 different people, the radio station, the TV station, plus the cleaning and stuff like that. But the thing was talked about is that when you do administration, when you climb up on the stage and jump off the jump off like or something, yeah? I mean, high jump. Like what you remember Eviction when you was a performer? Yes. Oh, yes. Climb up on the back. And you're talking to the manager?
This is in person.
How?
5-star.
Give it.
Hello?
Boom bam. Yeah, the artist there. When? Let me check. Hold on, let me check it there first. Hold on. You can do a show man as this?
Yeah, I'm free.
You free?
Yeah, I'm free.
You book out.
Hello, me say me free.
I'm in the man doing my doing. Yeah, this to my man.
No. No, me I tell you, it's free. Book out. Somebody paid them 300,000 up on it already. Send out the contract and thing. No cartel, Mr. Sego, when you send a contract, you send a contract. You can't break it. But between me and still, if you give me 500,000, you can't get him in. You need back the date. You want to Sego? No, 500. No, me do the money part and my girlfriend do the money part. I'm going to make it talk to her. No, man, I'm a woman. I hold on. When I get him again.
Bring some shit in here. Jesus, save it.
Win some, baby.
Yes, honey?
Come here, darling.
So I was putting my bottle to tell Vice Marshal to tell Big Marshal. So he could tell Article to tell me.
Hi! No, you're see, I already know the card.
But I was saying,
You're telling me. Tell me 150,000 US. Don't pay me.
100?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just got the deed.
Hello, that's 250,000 US, and you can make it a deposit when you take your hand.
They might be right now. Hey, you see my mamas? When you buy one blue suit, I'm going to might do it. More you be the best man. And next right there. You see, you're a long, pinty more shoe. Yeah.
Okay.
How would I go? Never can.
Come here. You don't need a girlfriend now.
No, when you come from Bahamas, me, you, your girlfriend, my girlfriend, the four away.
You know what? Let's say nothing more. If anything, email me.
Yeah, man, later.
Later. Yeah.
What is it, baby? What?
I just got a check here for $300,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm so happy things are going on right now.
Yeah, man. And guess what? This is all for you.
Oh, that nice, man.
So, baby, I think you should buy things.
Exactly.
In the bag.
You are my bank.
No, stop it.
I don't know what you're using the past now, but this relationship is not about money. It's about love. I love you.
Loving a sonnet. Man Wednesday. When you take away can if you don't know enough and enough flight that you're upset.
You say you are my life.
Sing louder, man. Sing louder. You can be the vocabulary.
You say you want me for yourself.
Sing for your God.
You say you will be true.
Trevor!
Pass me can't talk to them, man. Something.
How you mean you do something? Talk your damn reverse that I'm coming on.
Something I can't do, man.
Every damn day you there reverse.
You want
Pops, let me tell you something. I rent the place for the rehearsal, yeah? As long as I do a rehearsal, just don't disturb me, man. I don't rent the place, alright?
You don't take for reverse.
Pops, that's not rent the place for.
Yeah, me talk to Ram, man. I'm doing that reversal. Me want to talk to you, man.
Alright, talk to me, Papa. Hey, get the blazer.
Yeah. No, Trevor, I say turn off your instrument.
Why, Papa, I'm frustrated, man.
What up to you now?
Papa, you know, say, I know I'm going to become a good producer.
Me know that.
I never have a profession.
I guess so.
Pops, the three girls were with me, right? You see girl we're supposed to turn DJ, she wants to go dance. Right? The one we're supposed to write, she wants to singer. And the one good right singer we have, she can read.
Then Trevor, who breed her?
Pops, the girl have a promotion make up and she have 2 album launch and the best thing I can go to is breed. She vocalist.
Who breed her? That may ask you.
Hey, Pops, for me she read, but she not read.
Trevor, you better put that breed in the dog plate.
Pops, where come with them? What do you want?
Anyhow, we go to the doctor. And the doctor said to me, say, me alright. So me I leave you say, V, if you come back and check your prostate. So I said, Doc, nothing wrong with the throat alright. I mean, yeah, the throat alright.
Pops, your prostate in your throat.
What do you mean? Wait.
Pops, me write that to you, right?
I show you, Vicky. You go check out the body. And your prostate and your throat. My father used to be the blood. It's serious.
I want to.
I'm dead. But before you dead, you're going to make it something for me. Work for me next week. I don't want video for Trevor. Don't fret what the day I will pay. So nobody earth up the head.
Alright, the dupes.
We got the man. We have a video.
Me not tell you what you're doing.
Hey, Pops, get ready to go. Get ready to begin. What? Turn your
My commitment I give to you from this day and always be true.
I love you, baby, be true to me. No way, no way, no way.
Enough fear. Hug him up again, Medea. Enough fear. Hug him up. Medea. Hug him up. Yeah.
Trevor and Jooky Jam on Stages Records with the number 3 song on the top 10 chart.
Number 3.
Yes, Trevor, number 3. And by next week, it's going to be number.
Hey, stop right there. I'm going to give you. Hey, Abby, I will get a couple of CDs and give every state to you from Pembe to Pasa here. Hey, girl, tell me something about this and not to the next one. Hey,
So why have to be so abrupt at times?
What?
You cannot talk to me like that.
Cherry, go back inside and finish rehearsing the other song. Because tomorrow we have a video to do.
A video? Baby, I'm gonna be on TV? Oh my God! Trevor, did you hire a full video crew?
No.
Karina, I love you.
Move.
Cherry. No, Cherry, bad to bad now. Why you pour so much milk in the coffee and you say now get white? Jersey man!
you are walking.
Trevor, give me my money and I'm go on, brother.
No, I'm not paying money, but I got you money.
I didn't deposit that will come first, so the money I'm not leaving until I get it.
Deposit? Oh. So you never read the contract? The contract says that for backup singers, it's one-time payment only. No residual.
I'm not talking about them, I'm talking about money, man.
Right? I need residual girl, in another sense. I'm talking about royalty, we must think me for you. We must think me for you anytime. We must brother me by you.
Which burger?
No, it's true. I want a burger. I get that.
You know, so the one that's giving us credit on the
Don't do that.
Trevor, you keep on forgetting something not the rest of the girl when you chat to, you know. Me's a different type of girl. I want someone want money, I have to get my money. But if you want to go back so much, you have to make some pose from around the club.
I threw a skirt, I run it through, it's a finishing line.
No worry, Trevor. I must get my money. One day I must get my money.
Okay, man, friend.
I don't cost you more than what you want me to.
Well, I'm going to get up and then come to
Watch your back, Trevor. Watch your back. I talk about Trevor. Run up on me like a big truck, I am Batman.
No, I'm a Batman. You tell you're a Batman. Make us a shop. You tell him that. Tell him that. Double shot.
Aye. Come here now, man, Trevor. I know say you're not bad. You know you're family.
How much you know me?
No, but you know, sister, the girl make headline. You know what make headline too? Go to Africa, make a chiche about it, yo. Outside, I'm right. Give me that. Move. Outside. Take up this. No, some people think that take it up. I'm not too outside, I'm right. Oh, this is like it having cobwebs, so. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. You're thingy, man. You drop on your mouth. Oh, God. Tell me something that hurt you. Look here. You have the health card? All your mouth supposed to be a little bit sour. No, man. Look here. You need a name just saying that we get to camp for ball, make you go on so. I've seen them come here, man. Poor thing. Hello, come here. Stop thinking of yourself. I'm going to make party in the crowd. You sure you're not mad? Eh? Oh, God, I've seen them something, poor thing. Your body dusty, man. I'm making the something finish. When the police are come out, don't smile. Keep them out, so. Come out of my face, man. Jesus, you couldn't even surprise me and put low voltage in your mouth. Eh? Straight blackout you are walking. Producer! Come here! Keep your body quiet now, man. You have a lot of big men players. I wonder if you were tired. Huh? Tripod.
Yeah, so what I do?
Tripod, you don't take the time in very too much. Tell me something, are you alone going to do the video? Are you alone going to do the video?
Yo, Cherry!
Yeah.
Come, tripod and the video, man. I don't know if you're going to
Yeah, you come walk in this cupboard. You come up here, son. Sit down. Chest up. Too much chest, my love. You know. Trevor is with them cameraman come here, so walking. When the cameraman come here, so walking a shot. Cameraman when walking, you shoot him. Production assistant. Pencil pine body, come over here so you want to sharpen. Jooky, you remember?
Yeah, man.
Lights, camera, music. Wind up your body. Wind some more. Wind harder. Wind. Yeah, wind with attitude. So you stop for? Trevor, we should stop for. Cut! What you do? What me tell you for shoot? Me tell you for shoot pigtail Alaska mackerel.
Don't me pay her. You sure know yet?
Eh?
No, you sure know yet?
Yeah, I know me I do. I tell you some of my DPH night already.
So why you cut for? Why you stop for?
A cherry. Why she a wine and them starch her?
My God. It's a video here. You hear? You see the thing we don't do. You hungry? You want some water? Yeah, she ready.
Cameraman, don't zoom in on nobody.
Zoom in and pay attention.
And cherry, boy, you rub them Trevor like a Yardman way.
Hell no.
What you say, whatever?
I said hell no.
Cause Trevor tell the same thing for stupid years. Go over there, sir. Lights, camera, music. Wind up your body, not cherry. Wind up some more, man. Wind up, man. Wind up, man. So let's start, man. She's not moving. You know what one another say. Cut! You never see him?
No.
Then we have in the glasses. You say, come in the man, I'm going to lick your back in the man. I'll lick your back. Come on,
Yo, come here.
Trevor, don't call me so strong. I'm afraid of you.
You may talk to you.
You know, someone wants to do nothing sense.
What is the problem?
Don't push, don't do them something. Hey, don't run them serious, man. This is the man I'm gone.
What is the problem? How what? Talk to me, what is the problem? Where you stop about? Let me just say cut, I want.
Jooky.
What am I doing?
Why must you want to back in now? Come here, camera. Suppose you make the man shoot me, that shoot you back in now.
No. How what?
No love.
Yo, see you? Make sure you start one here. Yo, my people ready? Your people ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Come on, man, you that must ready. Somebody come on your arm.
And see next time is a cut? Because of the light.
Whatever you sound, I drop the show. Lights. Camera. Do what you want to do. Right, enough is enough. Put them back, just put them back. Enough is enough. Hold on the camera. Steady your body, steady your body. Too much vibration in your body. Come on. You. Eh? Trevor, you're not proud. Yeah. The video acting man, God, you know what I mean. No, I love it. Oh God! How come the camera not turn on? God! Oh Jesus. I think they should have come before Matt. Eviction. Eh? How are you?
You never believe this.
No man, tell me anything I believe.
If me ever said this to you, you're a surprise.
Oh God, not tell me say a time.
You never know, say, this could happen to me.
You man, you come to better than you, so take it with pride.
You said me never know, like this could happen.
You will do.
Trust me.
You have put somebody in your space.
You better believe that.
No man, go on, Eviction. You live long enough, go on.
He said, we're going to a doctor.
Yeah.
And we're going to a doctor.
Mm-hmm.
The doctor said,
yeah.
Nothing wrong with it.
Oh, what a disappointment.
When me I leave a court, the girl in the front of this top. Take $5,000 off of me. $5,000 for
a private doctor? So you pay $5,000?
$5,000? $5,000 for how many money used to pay $50?
In a year of years. Get 12 and I can add all of the number them and stay if you don't get your age. I was the man that's why the neighbor them a chat and say, you mean for sure man, you come up to them say you mean.
$5,000.
Then you make it!
Eh?
When they help a girl, she there.
Ah, big. No make sure you can't help her.
I still news. The whole community knows the girl I help her. Hey! Been afraid that she not much as doesn't shape like a Reebok sign.
Well, don't make sure you go for it.
I hear that girl that. I want to ask you though. I don't know where you sit and she run down, but I understand you're blind, your vision have come and go over. Age take over your eye. Hey, sometimes it's not admire still everything. Or you defend that girl. There. Whoa! Somebody jerk me.
It's always so upfront to work in Clean and Star.
I work with an hospital as a psychiatrist.
And you say you continue to use up your mouth. You're going to go out to the theater shop there and find yourself on the customer side of the counter.
You're very strong. I broke, the girl broke, you know. I broke to go to that shop and do his blow it and drop some. She broke, God knows she broke.
Hey, cranky boy! If you need a public counselor, me and woman, you better get used to that. Come let him walk up, suck up a man shop like past here.
Oh.
As a matter of fact, even the shop here, fire!
Go fire your body. You know, she say you're not a bubble. Don't draw my tongue. Because I'm not afraid of no girl, no boy, no dear, no. I'm
Heartbeat.
What?
Cock. Mouth. Kill. Cock.
Me not cock.
Everyone, don't make a phone call enough. Don't flip the switch.
Don't think you're here 6 feet long time because you're public service in a malice. Pick your choice, Grace or New Park. Anybody ever want to look inside your side, you work here from an oven all my life, you will soon dead. Man cemetery. I'm not going to even argue with you. I'm not arguing with you away furniture clothes. You don't see a brother in our runner. That makes you a big chop puss. I
man. No one them serious joke, man. So my heart palpitates while I drink black coffee.
You're serious. Yeah, I'm serious.
I don't hear me, man.
I don't. You're serious.
God bless you, man.
You want to be serious? Let me see. I'll serious speech. Fire.
You serious, Ashok? You have to tell her aloud. I can't send her a text. I chuma want the work, you know. God knows I chuma want the work. Lady, my apology.
Aloysius.
Yes, dear.
Me I got told so when I come back. I will take over the running and the shop and that's final.
But they heard me.
Yeah.
She got told I'm one grocery. Thank you, Jesus. My friend, you can buy something for me, please, and thank you.
Aloysius, me not buy nothing for nobody now.
No, you can't buy it for me now. You don't apologize already, so you can't buy it for you.
Oh, no, because I apologize.
She have a good heart, you know, man. God, no, my friend, you know. When you come from town, stop at Dove Catch and book a flat. Come the man who want very quick, you say it now enough. I'm going to say, I like that cabbage and cracker. You think I'm about you, the one time I go back here to the Japan, my dress 69. Don't do it. Outside and bright.
Homie!
Where you want rolling gas?
What kick you want to come woman gets in front of me?
You are a woman of Google. You are not a boo.
Cover here.
Jooky! You're a woman of Google, knows not and boo!
What is wrong with you? Here, take this.
Where?
This is your nail.
Oh, we can't come in. You want to wear that? We're not interested in wearing that.
I mean, I tell you. I didn't get any result over.
Well, take your woman and come out. We don't know what it said.
No. Look here. It says here, you are positively 99.9%.
You know, something you have to be. We didn't know.
Yeah.
Jooky, take over the run of the business. Heartbeat! You're working, Jooky. Jooky.
Yeah.
Fire that.
Aloysius!
Yes, darling.
Come here, Stooky.
Me know the voice there. Me know that voice.
Chauffeur, it's all that coming on the place.
Come here to me.
Where you want, Tumbleborg? Read this. We have nobody after you, so you read that.
Listen to me. As of today, you're fired. Yo, come here.
May I say something? Why you got the airport speaking by your
My baby son waiting and she took me home.
Well, anytime your baby come to you again, you see? You make me know. Anything you do, I want to know that first. If I'm find A to B, I want to know that first. Even if you got peace, I want to know. Me a manager, a promoter, a producer, I want remember that. Alright? And then paper, give me the paper. How paper you get?
I didn't need any results. Do we affect the people?
You do a DNA?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good on.
This means the pops are taking them.
You know what? You better go on.
What's your pop this?
No, this is for me.
No. Me and brother must have a share.
It's alright. Yeah?
What are you doing?
Which station I must go?
All of them.
Okay.
I'm picking up for the way just fine.
Alright.
You have me ask you a question, you see?
Speak your mind.
Why me people do a video as much people in my video?
I don't think it's a protest, you know.
So why me in that video?
Who say you in that video? Any black that way you see are you.
Yo. Never let job you here. That's your money. Hey yo. You see next day that video okay camera, yeah? Now hear it. Between me and you. You know I tell nobody this.
Don't do that. You go let me a sponge. Me suck up and leak.
Now go on your video boy.
You get married?
Yeah.
I'm so desperate. How which one of them you get married to? Small, medium, or large?
No worry about it. Just turn it, alright? Give me a Guinness then.
Me not no Guinness.
Give me a beer.
Me not no beer either.
What you have in that shop?
What me have to drink right now is your father, Eviction, otherwise known as Aloysius, there with your backup singer lady. I wonder how that little it is. That's supposed to be British.
Where just say what I
I say your father take you back. Listen to me, I mix you mix me. Go on, mix.
My father will need it.
God no.
That's impossible. My father does took salute.
He makes you bend and touch her too.
Keep my feet down.
Baby, honey, sweetie, my darling boo-boo, Trevor, Trevor,
Yes?
baby out there.
How?
Listen, baby, get me an orange juice, please. Not too hot, not too cold, with a straw and some ice.
I can't believe this. Pops didn't need me. How walk is my I just know it. Then I have the orange juice on the syrup. Strawberry. Eve. First family of fine food.
Your waiter is purple, don't you?
If you see I come and look at me.
You know you have no respect for me. Is this how you plan to run your business?
I get me father sleep and you're talking.
How are you going to concentrate on cementing my career when you're spending so much time with that teenager?
Don't bite yourself. She need to win something. Don't do that again.
You must think before you act, you know. I will not be in any competition with any teenager.
Then you not beat it with a beer and cherry. I want you. We have to have someone that wants so bad for cherry. Beat it, man.
I listen. I just come from Bendy and I want to sleep.
Hey. Cherry, I want one more time with me, say you know what, feel me try.
Baby, give me the card, please.
Then I can.
You should not have come out in the first place.
No, where's that? Where was that?
Some like when cherry died. At lunchtime, you have a hat.
Just.
You want to say something?
No. Just.
And you make sure that you're going anywhere, you check if I'm here before you move.
Baby, walk away from to where you can hear. Hey, girl, my name is Phil. Leave again. Listen up. I'm a producer. A professional producer. And I do not mix business with pleasure. Remember that, yeah?
How much of a professional are you? When you do this kind of thing to me, the only female artist on your label. Why all you producers have to behave like this?
Are we producers? You want a new producer? You want a producer?
And I'm my basket a year loaded.
Girl, Miss Seminar mix business with pleasure. And you are business. Go away. Go.
Trevor, I'm having the baby.
You know?
She's still agreeing.
Me not give money to the abortion. You couldn't take 2 blasted pills. You couldn't drink some water and take 2 blasted pills and take yourself.
Wait, you think you're son Germany?
Ask her back.
All you have to do is take 2 pills. Drink some water and take 2 pills.
Hey. What?
Now.
Let me just explain.
Now.
How we puss come from, man?
Trevor, did I hear right just now?
Yeah, you're damn right, Jeffrey.
Yes, you heard right. I'm having his baby. Are you having one?
Papa, a long time you wait for your child, you having one?
Miss Guinness.
Let her go.
Her name is Cherry.
Trevor, shut up.
But she didn't get it.
You know, Miss Guinness, maybe don't understand the difference between you and I now.
She named Cherry.
Shut up. So, Miss Guinness, allow me to explain it to you. Unlike you, Miss Guinness, my body is pure. And I'm untouched, and Trevor can testify to that. In other words, Miss Guinness, I'm what you would call a virgin. What are you?
Poor.
Do you think I would lay my body careless like you did?
Oh, shut up!
Yeah, do your best. Let's go, man. I'm going to get wild. Outside and rise. You can't say you can't come here to come be the regular. How about you? Outside, how about you, Trevor? You got to be careful, man. Outside.
Trevor, you know what's right in not making love to you?
Trevor, you don't get it?
Why did you not tell me you were having an affair with your singer? Huh? What, you were waiting for the leaf that fell to the bottom of the river to rot before you say something to me?
Big shot, big girl. Big shot.
Mr. Eviction, don't understand it now.
Hold on. We don't understand. Heartbeat! You understand what I'm going to do?
My mouth slippery.
You know, this is the first man I'm taking seriously.
True.
The first man I dated. Because my mother walked out and then all I had was him.
Oh, my.
You know, Mr. Eviction, my mother used to warn me about all these things.
You shall stay, woman.
Your day is coming, Trevor. Don't worry. Your day is coming.
Well, thanks, Pankan. Guinea left. Guinea! I feel man now.
Do you love me?
Do you love me now?
Do you love me, baby?
Do you want me now? Mom,
What do you do?
so do you tell me?
Me?
Alright, maybe we get the real dancehall vibes now. But,
So, Jooky, is Trevor really going to marry that girl?
I think so.
You mean you think so? I heard that you will be the best man.
All that. So long. So why give me a 2 weeks notice?
But you
effective immediately.
I don't care what you want to do.
Hey, boy, they can't. Work always line up for me and right now Trevor with me on a video.
What?
Thank God Trevor get married. If Trevor never get married, then you want me to manage. But thank God he might get married, you know?
Excuse me?
Me know you weird?
No, what was that about, Trevor?
Weird. You never know that Trevor get married? Yeah, he might get married. Everybody in there knows that Trevor get married. And on the internet too. Trevor marriage, www.com. Trevor!
You know that you need to find your yard?
Say it again.
Find your yard.
Say it again and go slow and listen to what you have said.
Find your yard. My yard is...
Hi. Hello. What's the way you beat the girl when the chick is trying to say you're pretty but they can't fight? Mr. God, come see a jump up and give the girl one flying kick. Mr. Yeah, my friend got it.
Jooky, relax.
Active ingredient. Hey, you know, I never help the fight, but you may never take my medication. I mean, I like fight and faint. I mean, fight and faint, you know, they man with their body, my love.
Wait, I'm supposed to touch your...
Jooky.
What?
Are you blind? Don't you see I'm having a conversation here?
Jooky, are you blind? Don't you see we're having a conversation here?
Some people, you know.
Telling you. My friend, can I ask you a question?
Sure, anything.
You still are breathing?
Exactly. Well, answer him. Don't you have a conversation here?
Yes, heartbeat.
No, but too bad. You know what wrong with your throat one you can't swallow 2 pills? Eh? What wrong with the esophagus? Ah, if you take 2 pills and a 16 it come like Jesus, it's full of multiple choice. I want the fat tonsil them blow out.
See? You never done, see? She start to cry. You never see? Tears coming out her eye.
She Argentina, but she cry for. Aye, Cherry, I call her a Jubilee and them said they made them down there book out. You look like you forgot trust one of the courts. When I'm going to try to push a man for breed friend, I want a young girl before wake up and see what time. That's what the girl will beat you. Lucky time there for grab up and them and chat, you know.
I have a contract for you, so
Yes, boss.
am I with this? How the rest of come on?
It's good, very good.
Good. However, show the rest of come on.
So, Trevor,
Yes.
I heard that your wedding is all planned.
Yeah.
What are your plans for this baby and that?
Me come over discuss business, what reach us?
Trevor, when we met, you told me you had no children and no girlfriend. That is how we got here.
Now, if you did the abortion, we wouldn't be here.
Wow! Wow! Oh my Lord! No! We are brothers who take box the same way.
Yes, you get back to me.
I saw that. Wow! That was a good one. You deserve it. You caused that a while ago. You're the culprit for that.
You guys are mad girl.
She's not mad.
She's not mad.
She's just upset.
Take your there.
Okay.
Move it out there. Alright, okay.
So now I'm mad. Now I'm mad, Trevor. Well, yes, I am mad. And you see, because I am mad, you will get somebody to sing in your pieces, you know. Because I will not be dancing to your tune anymore.
Jerry, how about food and walk one? Trevor, move. Sure, come here.
Shut up! I don't want to hear anything from you, you know. Trevor, you're very inconsiderate. But I don't need you. I can take care of myself and my child. But your days come here, Trevor. Your days come.
You didn't know say father take on your son woman up here?
You're too high.
Yes, my child and next one woman come up and beat him along. And girl mate, the father body full of cancer come right up to him throat.
Oh, God.
For real.
Can I beat?
Yeah.
What would you get up in my breed?
You know, me don't remember my name, but she still have me in the belly of and the baby of my name move on.
Hey, come here.
have his mackerel you and him today. What the way you walk over in local stomach?
Heartbeat!
Aye, later, so they will stick by the man.
Heartbeat? Are you the people that next door again?
No man, Sonia called me explain something about her neighbor. You might text it for her. And this time it really serious because she talked to me.
Heartbeat? You can't find Sonia. Sonia's always a mix-up.
She said them dirty and nasty.
You know
what man are you?
True. I saw him stay. Why are you hungry, Heartbeat?
Anyway, I'm ready.
How do you know you have any cups with them?
You know, so they don't family come here, man.
Heartbeat?
Yes, sir.
You don't cook yet?
No, sir.
All right.
Want some tea?
Yeah, give me some tea. Maybe I should have it.
Jesus, save No, you're not faster than I expect. What are we in around with the inside?
You hungry too?
Not even me and start with the from the girl.
Heartbeat, scarlet for the yam dirty pudding.
That's why I'm in a yam pudding.
You chat too much.
I'm not chat yet, my love.
What? I wasn't fighting. I just got a call from a lawyer and it says I'm a free man.
Hallelujah.
So I'm going to do what a free man is supposed to do.
You might leave the yard.
Come here to me. So you're coming in. Come here.
That nice.
Step on here.
People want to say.
I'm going to ask you a question. I want you to answer me. Do you love me?
Yes, you liar! Speak the truth, you're too jumpy.
Do you love me?
Sit down. Do you love him? Yes or no? Skip on baby song.
You know I love you.
And we all know. But no man. Don't.
You're too fast.
Heartbeat, you straight fast, cars?
No, Eviction. This serious. You will become a good imp. No man, this serious already.
I teach you this.
Hey! Watch all it! God, no one feel ever there at all. What a girl feel I can boat.
I don't wish I could bring a shirt for you.
I get that fish on. Don't put it on it. Fire! No fire! No cut and clear. The fish and turn back to rock.
It's why I still have you, but I take her time.
Says who?
Mrs. Eviction.
No! If you ring cheap and people are married themselves. Who you think could have want married you? You know, she say no wife material. Eh? Look how long you need in the Pinks and Pablo's little girl. You're worse than Pound Clad.
Me I'm going to make a phone call. She'll come back. I don't want this bad case of area out here. Hear me?
If me and the area, you are kiss your flush.
Happy? Mama, enough is enough. I'm going to show you who run things on it. You must have the wife you got to say. You who married?
Is the Eviction you're married?
Yeah. Me married. Who never married? You haven't been married. Happy? You ever married too?
Marriage gone to the dogs.
How you call dog over there? Huh?
Oh, let's see how trouble I'm coming back rain though. I should have walked with my umbrella. Make sure the stone there Kenny and you go rough.
Jooky, I am sick and tired of this. Fire me right now.
He's fired already, don't worry.
Right now, I mean it.
Oh my. How old is mother dog? You know you're one wicked girl, you.
Don't you call her any girl? She's a fine lady, don't you?
No, Jooky's joking again. You don't mean it.
Let me defend you.
You don't mean it.
Hi, him down feisty. He's a feisty boy. You can apologize to her now. You know anything about her? Eh? Well, look at that damn feisty boy. You know where him out? You know where she comes from? Get out! Eh? She's from Reddings. You don't know her.
Where she come from?
Reddings.
Look on her again.
potential for her. That girl that come from Green Park, she should take one man named Double Barrel. Him could have beat her. The amount of bill she get, she deserve a spot for the money.
Hold on. You know her?
God no.
There's some scars on your back. You told me you got it from a fence cut. They actually beat him?
Hey, those scars on your back. I mean,
Mr. Eviction, you need to stop sleeping on the ground bathing.
Oh, Jesus. I will see you. Huh? What's going on here? Do you know this young man?
No, Jooky, I don't know him.
I'm going to ask you one more time. I said, do you know this young man?
Be the church.
Jooky, maybe I've been keeping something from you, but
What is it?
I don't know how to explain it to you, Jooky, but I have a daughter that I should have told you about. But the only reason I...
daughter. No, not to me. Jooky. You know when I was on the picture.
Papa, she tricked me. The first night we met, she told me she's a virgin. She said she's a virgin.
Oh my, you've been punked. Let me get a tale. The whole of her gone in jeans and bar Sharon from a junk
Make she go on, come on. Jooky, take back your ring. Take off the clothes where you buy. All the food where she need, make sure she follow it to go back. Okay.
I'm still in love with her.
Still love you what? You must get there, Jack.
She won't beat me.
I love you too. I love you too, Jooky, but there's one more thing I have to tell you, and that's it. No more thing.
You know what?
Run, Jooky. Jooky, run. Run, Jooky. Take 2 toes highway. When you reach the door, the top. Oh, Jooky.
Mr. Eviction.
Oh, Jooky.
Jooky's ready, everybody's ready, and the one is gonna start me to her. Can you get ready yourself? This is not gonna work. The people want to prove of this.
Winston,
You need to close the shop now.
Winston!
I'm having a conversation.
What the hell are you doing here?
The question is, what are you doing here?
My man lives here.
My fiance lives here.
Shut to the backside and then wife in here.
What are you talking about fiance, Winston, huh?
Did I stutter?
You can't even like soap to boil water, but you're talking about fiance.
And you
You're
can't
here at 18 years old, you are still a child.
Excuse me? I was a child when you walked out on me.
You know why I left.
Don't you know, don't
You know damn well why I left. You've always been very disrespectful to me. Everything I say, you try to overrule me. You're not only ungrateful for all the things that I've done for you, but you're also a selfish little bitch. And I'm sorry for the man who gets you. Winston, I have raised you without a father, and this is like...
If I'm a bitch and you had me, what does that make you?
Wait.
Mother bitch!
I'm not done talking to you. Winston! Winston, I'm not done.
I'm past with that. Sure. Hey, girl, where you there? Where you there?
Baby, come.
Pass me. One moment. What's your name, box?
But this is my daughter. I'm talking to my daughter.
Shit, baby, get up. Come, get up.
Winston!
Listen, don't
Shut up! You shut up! Shut up! Back to my life!
Jump out!
Like father, like son, see? So we are gonna run that one here, just the same way. And here we know.
He planted some seeds that grew so wide.
Alright.
He stayed far away and knew not his child.
Hey.
He is now face to face with his own shame, losing the stakes at his own game. Understand, just don't understand.
Yeah.
Did you not feel my innocence then? Or saw the look on my face? This is very serious.
Yeah.
This is very serious and a big disgrace. Like father, like son, he is running wild. Never a moment to spend with his child. Like father, like son, like father, like son. Why do men always have to run?
We start the same way.
Like father, like son.
Married the same age.
Like father, like son.
Divorced the same way.
Like father, like son.
Live the same life.
Like father, like son.
A Jooky Jam name.
Like father, like son.
A Jooky Jam name.
Like father, like son.
Live the same life.
Like father, like son.
A Jooky Jam name.
Like father, like son. Like father, like son. He is running wild. Never a moment to spend with his child. Like father, like son. Like father, like son. Why do men always have to run?
A Jooky Jam
He
name.
planted some seeds that grew so wide.
Alright, come now.
He stayed far away